and welcome to eGuru. I'm Shabetta, your SAT coach for the next few minutes. Today, I would like to talk to you about an effective approach to the passage-based reading task. So here goes. When we read a passage on the SAT, we should read like the test makers. We should predict what questions they might ask. Let's look at the opening sentences of an SAT passage and make our own questions. Go ahead and pause the video and read these highlighted sentences to yourself. Well, what would be a likely question for these sentences? Think about what's being described. It's the standard assumption. So let's just ask a basic paraphrase question, like, the passage indicates that the standard assumption about women is... Now answer the question in your own words. The standard assumption is that their lives have improved. Okay, let's keep reading. If we think like the test maker, what question could we ask for this sentence? Well, do you notice that all of a sudden the tone and style changes here? Let's ask why. We could ask a phrase interpretation question like, the author uses the phrase "so far, so easy" in line 6 in order to... Now let's answer the question in our own words. To show that the standard assumption is too simplistic. Or we could ask another question. We can ask an examine a technique question, like, the tone of the phrase "so far, so easy" is, and let's try to answer this in our own words. Well, the tone in the previous sentences seemed more informative and formal, but this sentence feels more casual and conversational. Okay? When we go to the actual test questions, we won't be surprised by what they ask. In fact, we will have already anticipated and answered their questions. So that's all from me today. Watch out for part 2 of this video, and thank you for using eGuru.